I saw him every day when I was driving by. Sometimes in the pouring rain, sometimes in the sunshine. I always wished he was mine. I should have took him home. But one day I rode by and he was gone. He lived his life on a 10-foot chain in the blazing sun and the pouring rain. He froze in the winter cold from the time he was young to the time he was old. Couldn't save him, but I wish I had. Now he's free from all the bad. Tonight in the falling snow, there'll be one less dog in the cold. I should have stopped to pet him, I should have set him free. He suffered many nights and his only friend was that old oak tree. He's in heaven now, sleeping on a nice warm bed, free to run anywhere, no more sleeping on a concrete step. 'Cause he lived his life on a 10-foot chain in the blazing sun and the pouring rain. He froze in the winter cold from the time he was young to the time he was old. I can't save them all, but I wish I could. And if I knew how, I damn sure would. Tonight in the falling snow, there'll be one less dog in the cold. Every dog's a window to your soul. They just want someone who cares. They will never judge you, they will always love you. So don't leave them out there to live their life on a 10-foot chain in the blazing sun and the pouring rain. To freeze in the winter cold from the time they were young to the time they were old. We can save them all if things would change in a dream of a world where there's no chains. Tonight in the falling snow, tonight in the falling snow, tonight as I sing this song, yeah, there'll be one less dog